Okay, unboxing video. Simulan na natin. I got this from China. Siguro umabot ng 3 weeks bago nakarating. I think this is what they call the Serbian knife, and some people say or call it Japanese knives, pero in reality most of them are made in China. So nothing. So disclaimer lang, no? Hindi ako professional chef. Mahilig lang ako magluto sa bahay. So as you can see sa packaging, not really that fancy, and I think maski sa Pilipinas yung mga binibenta na may magagandang packaging is usually made in China. So as per my source, nire-repack lang siya and pinapangalanan na made in China, or I mean pinapangalanan na made in Japan. So this is the first one. I believe this is the like a vegetable chopper. So, and I think this is made out of high carbon stainless steel. So as you can see, maikli lang siya, no? Mga 6 inches siguro. Handle wise, maganda pagkakagawa. And then the blade itself is rough, which is the design that most people are wanting these days. So let's see if it works. I mean, the blades are not as sharp yet, so I don't know if ito talaga yung way ng pagbenta nila. So i-test muna natin. Oh, so far matalim. I have here a different knife. Nakuha ko siya last month. This is a Wusthof Nakiri knife. This is made in Germany, so we'll see. This is a real vegetable chopper, so and as you can see, it's actually sharper. But it's not as bad actually. Itong made in China. Probably siguro dahil din sa weight and sa thickness. As you can see, mas makapal siya kumpara sa Nakiri knife. Try natin ito. Onion. See kung kasing talim din siya. Not as bad, but if you could notice, medyo nagdidikit-dikit siya sa baba, which is probably normal since mas makapal siya, so and rounded ang edge, so hindi siya kagaya nitong Nakiri knife na straight edge. So yeah, overall, I mean, I like this knife. Rugged style. I don't think may kasama siyang holster, but it's not an issue, but not too bad. Mura lang siyang nakuha from AliExpress. I'll include the link in the description.